Here's how to change the name on your Amazon account. Now open up the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android, or go to Amazon.com if you're on a computer. There are two different places to change your name. Let's tap on the three lines at the bottom right and then account at the top left. You can change the name associated with your account, but keep in mind that's a different name than the name that's associated with your shipping address when it arrives at a package at your door. I'll show you how to change both of those. So the first one is, let's scroll down, tap on login and security, and then just use your passkey or password to just verify your account. Keep in mind, you might need to enter in your two-step verification password. And after you've done that, you can see at the very top is your name. So just tap on edit and then enter in a new name here. However, keep in mind, this is the name associated with your account. It's different from the name associated with the delivery address. So let's change that as well. So let's just go back and keep going back till we get to your settings. And now on here in the general settings part, we need to change the address. So scroll down, tap on your addresses, and then you'll be able to see the default address has Haley's name on it. All I need to do is hit add a new address here. And then on here, I can always update that name to a different name. And then essentially whenever that gets shipped and delivered to my doorstep or your doorstep, it will have that new name.